Hello.
Hello. Hi guys, so it's Ramsey and myself.
But I got this, and the pen, the orange case, and we see the iPhones. And they put a 2D on it, and we're here.
Oops.
So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing an unboxing, unbagging type of deal today. I won't be explaining in this video why we got them, what we got them. I will make a separate video for that just to not kind of like mess this video up from like the good mood and stuff, because I know there would be people that are gonna find this a little bit off or a little bit odd of a purchase for a child. But like I said, I'll explain in another video. This one's just going to be the unboxing by Ramsey. And this is something he's been dying to open since yesterday, because we got it yesterday afternoon and we just kind of been holding it since. We will be making a video as to, after it's set up and everything, what is in his Surface, as far as, you know, what we have just bought it. I guess. You kind of put it on the Surface itself, and it serves as a little pouch for the, sorry about that, it serves as a little pouch for the pen to just kind of slip in. But yeah guys, that's pretty much just the basic unboxing I wanted him to do here on camera. And since he cannot wait to start messing with this, we're gonna have his dad set it up, and we will get back to you guys into another video as how he's using this banana, but that's a whole other video. So God bless. Bye.
Oops.
Yay, high five.